How to fix task queue is empty error on Outlier AI training jobs. Your first things first is visit their official site, which is gonna be the outlier.ai. Now, once you're here, make sure that you're fully logged into your account and also make sure that your account is verified via the verification process that you choose. Now, this happens usually when your data is not properly placed. So all you have to do is to pull up all your data and make sure that everything is well placed. Now, once everything is double checked, then all you have to do, if your task queue is still empty, or if you're still receiving an error message that says Outlier AI training jobs empty error is still not there, is still missing, then all you have to do first is to run a troubleshooting steps from your current browser. Now in your browser, go to the top right portion of your screen and then go to your browser settings. And here all you have to do next is go to privacy and security and then go directly to delete browsing data. This is gonna be emptying out our cache and cookies for our certain browser. Now, before you click on delete data, make sure that you memorize all your login credentials because it will automatically log you out once you click on delete. Now, once everything is done, then all you have to do next is to close this whole page right here. Pull up the outlier.ai again, log into your account, and if it's still the same, then all you have to do, or your last resort, is to restart your task queue. So that's the most convenient way, and those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix task queue is empty error on Outlier AI training jobs.